Thank you for watching KTN's News Desk. Welcome back, and we go back to that story earlier where the United Opposition leaders went to visit the Inspector General of Police at Vigilant House. Let's just cross over and listen into what the leaders there are saying. That is Wiper leader, Wiper Patriotic Front leader Kalonzo Kusyoka, who's currently speaking. Let's listen in.
National leader, a few months to the next general election, this country will never be the same again. But we love this country. Kenya, with police service, institutional role of the police empowered not to take instructions from William Ruto. Even William Ruto himself, as chair of the Security Council. We think if he was to take responsibility seriously,